I'm back here in Hidden Lake. Another unit. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This one's in pretty rough shape. Kitchen. They had a bunch of paint peeling off the walls. They didn't prime the first time. New tub going in there. New carpets. So here's where the paint is just peeling right off the walls. Hook up the new tub. Patch that. All new light fixtures. Cabinets will be painted. Countertops will be resurfaced. New ceiling fans in here. Everything will be primed and painted. New toilets. Definitely a new tub in there. This is a good example of people not taking care of their mobile home. We'll also put new fixtures, or new door handles. Laundry room, pantry area. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Stove, just did not care at all. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I'm gonna get in here and get this one knocked out. I'll be looking a whole lot different here in a few days. Just a quick preview. Talked them into doing this light gray. Looks much better. Alright, we're all finished with the paint in lot 86. Alright. So we went with the light gray on the walls. These cabinets will be dark gray and either black or white countertops. I think we'll go black countertops. New light fixtures. New ceiling fan. And it smells a whole lot better in here. Walk-in closet. Tub will still need to be replaced. These cabinets, countertops will all be redone. Resurface the sinks. And then we'll put carpet in here and laminate flooring over all this. Finish installing the tub. And just a little 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Plumbing still needs to be hooked up there. Yeah, the gray and white makes it a lot more modern compared to the brown and white they had been using. Alright, come check it out when everything else is done. Alright, back here at number 86. Cabinets have been painted. This countertop's been refinished. Walls painted. The carpet's not in yet, but this laminate floor is new. Put quarter around the edges. And the bedrooms will all be carpet. Here's that nasty master bath that has been refinished. Looks so much better. A nice mirror, vanity, cabinets painted to match the kitchen cabinets. Doors are all painted. These ceiling fans. There's that little sheetrock patch. So this one was in really rough shape. Went through, gave it a whole new fresh look, cleaned it up, tore out the nasty carpets. This flooring makes all the difference. And then light gray walls, darker gray cabinets, dark black countertops. We did silver fixtures and black lights and fans. Silver hardware, I guess. New blinds. Just basic blinds. Can't really see, I guess. Yeah, so all this one needs is some carpet. And be good to go. And the appliances. So get new vent hood, new stove, new refrigerator. And that's about it. And this bathtub. The new bathtub. Another new mirror there. Almost done.